the power went out a couple of times throughout the night. The winds are insane right now. It's about 7:30 in the morning and Eastern Standard Time, and the temperature dropped to -10 Celsius with winds 50 to 60 kilometer an hour, and it's making the wind chill about -20, 21 Celsius. We've had several large branches come down throughout the night. I'm going to show you those. Look at the snow on the house from the winds. So take a look at this. Look at the size of this branch right here that came down. This thing is huge. And this big tree right behind me here. There's another branch down on the ground there. And in the row of trees behind me, you can see there's one that's down. There's a second one that's down over here. These came down last night with these high winds. There's debris all over the place. So we're lucky that the power didn't stay off for a long period of time, and we haven't had any of the big trees come down on our place. Can you hear that? I don't know how well you're going to see it on the camera, but it's like whiteout conditions. Drifts, snow drift here is about knee deep. Look at the size of some of the, look at the size of some of these snow drifts right here and through this field. You see how red my cheeks are. I've been out for a couple of minutes. Okay, that's the update for now. I'm gonna go in and get some warm coffee. If anything else changes, if we lose power again or if something else comes down, then I'll do another update. Otherwise, hope you're staying safe. Happy holidays to everyone. If you're going out today, please bundle up. Exposed skin can get frostbite in a couple of minutes. All right, so stay safe, happy holidays, and we'll see you in the next one. All right. Whew.